Hi, this is Sandra Henry-Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on NetworkWorld. In this Linux tip, we take a look at the expr expression command to do math on the command line. So we're going to look at some easy examples. We're just adding two numbers together. We're doing a subtraction. Here we're going to do a multiplication. Here we're going to add two numbers together and put the result in the total variable, and then if we echo total we see the result. And here we are going to do an addition and a division, but the division happens first, so it's 77 divided by 11 plus 8, and there we get the result. And here we're doing a multiplication and then an addition, because the multiplication and division operations always happen first. And there you can see that result. Well, that is your Linux tip for the expr command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and NetworkWorld.com.